Now we're going to cut out the actual bow ties that will fit in the table. As soon as I can find my little broom. I know I misplaced it somewhere. There we go. Alright. We got our four butterflies. What we'll do now is we'll just sand down we'll just take most of it off with a knife while not cutting ourselves. Now, these will just go right in there. Fits first time, every time. Got my Tight Bond 3. Which I kind of have been favoring a lot lately. It seems to be a real good glue. A lot of people use it. A lot of people seem to have real good luck with it. Let's see, how was I doing that? Yeah, that's right. Make sure I need a rag. So I don't damage the wood, I'll use a little block, a little tapping block. Perfecto. When that dries, I'll come back with a block plane and plane that off, and we'll be right as rain. Now we're going to sand these down. Just I was thinking about maybe milling it off, but I'll just sand it down with the sander and make it a little easier. So as you can see this one's raised up pretty decent, but once you sand them off, boy, it sure does look pretty good. Just that easy. Okay, I'm going to put in the last glass bow tie, what I'm going to do anyway. I finally found my glue bot. I like to play hide and seek with myself with a lot of my tools and stuff around the shop, and so I was definitely playing hide and seek with today, the last couple days with it, but I finally got it. Oh, I really do like this thing. It's pretty handy. Wish I would have got one a long time ago. So some people like to put just a little bit of glue on, just enough to where it works well, but not overdo it. I like to make sure I get plenty of glue on. So I'm one of them people that, I guess you could say I over glue, but I can always sand it back off. Typically, I like to make sure that that I have plenty of glue. All right, drag.